High net worth estate planning attorney. Creating an estate plan is a pivotal and often daunting step for high net worth individuals. High net worth estate planning encompasses a range of strategies designed to protect your wealth, minimize potential inheritance or estate taxes, and provide for your heirs in a manner that aligns with your personal values and goals. For those in Atlanta with considerable assets, creating a comprehensive estate plan tailored to fit your unique circumstances is not just prudent, it's essential. Working with a knowledgeable Atlanta high net worth estate planning attorney can simplify this complex process. Our experienced attorneys at Trace Brooks Law can evaluate your specific circumstances, helping you craft a plan that addresses each aspect of your estate, from real estate holdings to business interests, and from family heirlooms to investment portfolios. What is high net worth estate planning? High net worth estate planning is a strategic process designed to manage and distribute the wealth of individuals with substantial assets in an effective and efficient manner. It typically involves a combination of legal, tax, and financial planning to ensure that assets are protected, taxes are minimized, and wealth is transferred according to the individual's wishes. Estate planning is a critical process for individuals with high net worth and involves the preparation of tasks that serve to manage an individual's asset base in the event of incapacitation or death. The complexity of estate planning increases with the value and diversity of the assets involved, necessitating a strategic approach tailored to each individual's unique situation. For those with assets that may exceed the federal and state estate tax exemption limits, high net worth estate planning is particularly critical, as it may help reduce the overall tax burden on the estate and the heirs. Additionally, it often involves planning for the continuity of family businesses, protection of assets from creditors, and ensuring privacy in the transfer of wealth. Key components of a high net worth estate plan. Estate planning for high net worth individuals in Atlanta requires meticulous attention to detail and a comprehensive approach to asset management and future planning. Here are some of the key components that should be considered when crafting a high net worth estate plan in accordance with Georgia law. Wills and trusts form the bedrock of any estate plan, but they are especially crucial for high net worth individuals. A will provides instructions for the distribution of assets and can name guardians for minor children. In Georgia, wills must adhere to specific legal requirements to be valid, such as being witnessed by at least two individuals who are not beneficiaries of the will. Trusts offer a more flexible and often tax-efficient method of asset management and distribution. In high net worth estate planning, both irrevocable and revocable living trusts are important tools that can assist with the management and transfer of assets, but they serve different purposes and offer distinct advantages. Powers of attorney are essential documents that allow individuals to appoint someone to manage their affairs if they become incapacitated. In Georgia, financial powers of attorney can be either general or durable, with the latter remaining in effect if the grantor becomes incapacitated. A healthcare directive, also known as a living will, outlines a person's preferences for medical treatment and end-of-life care. It can be accompanied by a healthcare power of attorney, which designates someone to make healthcare decisions on the grantor's behalf if they are unable to communicate their wishes. Charitable giving can be an effective strategy for estate planning, allowing high net worth individuals in Atlanta to contribute to causes they care about while also benefiting from potential tax advantages. Under Georgia law, charitable contributions can be structured in various ways, including through charitable trusts or donor-advised funds. Life insurance is a powerful tool in the context of estate planning for high net worth individuals. It can provide liquidity to pay estate taxes, settle debts, and support dependents upon the death of the insured. In Georgia, life insurance proceeds are generally free from income tax and can be structured to avoid estate taxes as well. Estate planning with business interests. For high net worth individuals in Atlanta with business holdings, estate planning takes on an additional layer of complexity. Protecting your business and ensuring its continuity or smooth transition upon your passing or retirement is crucial. Georgia law provides a framework within which business owners can plan for the future of their enterprises as part of their overall estate strategy. Succession planning is essential for family-owned businesses in Georgia. It involves developing a clear and actionable plan for who will take over business operations in the event of the owner's death, incapacity, or retirement. Buy-sell agreements are legally binding arrangements between co-owners of a business that dictate how a partner's share of the business is reassigned if that partner dies or chooses to leave the business. In Georgia, these agreements can be funded through life insurance policies on the partners' lives, ensuring that there is liquidity for the purchase of the deceased or departing partner's interest. Accurately valuing business assets is a critical component of estate planning for business owners. In Georgia, this valuation will inform the basis for any estate tax liability and affect how the business is managed within the estate. A well-documented valuation, conducted by a qualified professional, is essential for a fair and equitable estate plan that minimizes the risk of disputes among heirs and beneficiaries. Special considerations in estate planning for high net worth individuals. Estate planning for high net worth individuals in Atlanta involves not just the management of assets within Georgia but also those held in multiple jurisdictions, both domestic and international. The complexity of these estates often requires bespoke solutions to manage real estate holdings, address out-of-state and international assets, and cater to the unique needs of non-traditional families. For high net worth individuals who own real estate in multiple states, the planning process is particularly complex. Each state has its own set of laws governing estate taxes, probate processes, and trusts. To minimize complications, it may be beneficial to hold real estate through entities like trusts or limited liability companies. This strategy not only simplifies the management of the properties but also offers a level of protection from liability and can streamline the transition of assets to beneficiaries. When it comes to out-of-state and international assets, there are additional layers of legal and tax considerations. Different countries have vastly different laws regarding estate taxes, inheritance laws, and the recognition of legal documents like wills and trusts. It is crucial to have an estate plan that considers these differences and includes appropriate legal instruments to manage these assets effectively. Non-traditional families, which may include unmarried partners, blended families, or families with complex structures, can face unique challenges in estate planning. In Georgia, if an estate plan does not explicitly address these relationships, the default state laws may not reflect the individual's wishes concerning asset distribution. It is important to create an estate plan that clearly defines beneficiaries and sets forth your intentions regarding the inheritance of your assets. An experienced Atlanta estate planning attorney can be your guide in tackling the nuances of Georgia law and the many facets of estate management. At Trace Brooks Law, our Atlanta attorneys have extensive experience in tailoring estate plans. We can offer a customized approach that seeks to align your plan with your long-term goals and the needs of your beneficiaries. If you're ready to protect your wealth and take control of your legacy, contact our Atlanta estate planning attorneys at Trace Brooks Law today at 404-492-9559 for a comprehensive plan that meets your estate planning goals.